Every day, while we enjoy our meals and go on with our lives, there are silent lives around us fighting a different battle. A battle against hunger, cold, and loneliness. These are the stray cats and dogs, boyless creatures wandering the streets with no home, no shelter, and no one to care for them.
In the municipality of Santa Elena, many of these animals roam the streets every day. With empty stomachs, they search through garbage bins, hoping to find even the smallest piece of food. But what they often find is not food. It is trash, mixed with plastic, dirt, and spoiled leftovers. Food that could have filled their stomachs becomes useless once it is mixed with waste.
Ironically, in places near the school and dormitories of Santa Elena, large amounts of food are thrown away every day. Not because there is too much, but because there is not enough awareness about how leftovers can still be useful. Food that could have helped to feed hungry animals ends up on the ground, forgotten and wasted.
These are meals that could have filled empty stomachs, but instead, they are stepped on, thrown away, and forgotten. And if the animals manage to eat them, the result is often sickness instead of nourishment.
But what if something simple could change this? What if leftovers were separated properly? What if people became more aware of the difference they could make?
Hello, Mom. What's your name? So, my name is Jasmine Bidrion from Inchansa Campus, and my program is from Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Madalas ba kayong may natitirang pagkain?
Yes po. Usually pag busy sa school, hindi na ako napunta sa doon ko. Nandun kaya na lang ako ng kain. And every time na mauwi ako ng pag nauwi ako ng hapon sa dorm, may nasasayang akong pagkain.
Anong ginagawa niyo mo doon sa mga natitirang pagkain?
So, since hindi ko naman na maano yung foods na yun, pinapakain ko na lang sa mga kittens ni Ate Ellen, yung mga dogs niya, para hindi naman litira naman sayang. May makinabang pa kahit panis na yung
Pagkain. Yes, tama. And madalas mo yung ginagawa din?
Hindi naman, pag hectic lang yung schedule sa school. Saka pag hindi ko na yung mood, hindi ko gusto na kainin yung foods na ibinabaw ko na sa mga kittens.
Thank you.
Hello, anong pangalan mo? Ako po si Mizzy Aquila H. Nasayaw. Nag-aaral po ko sa Inchansa Campus from USED English 1.
Anong ginagawa mo dun sa mga leftover na pagkain?
Tinatapon ko po, minsan iniwan ko na lang sa lababo, minsan po, kung saan-saan lang po yan sa tabi-tabi.
Madalas mo ba yung ginagawa na tinatapon mo lang, iniiwan mo lang sa lababo kapag nagugas ka?
Opo, since takot po ako sa mga pets, hindi ko po siya mababawag, kaya tinatapon ko na lang kung saan-saan.
Yun lang, salamat sa pagsagot sa mga tanong ko. Thank you.
Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Ako si Marnie Matibay. Nagtitinda ng mga pagkain dito sa kalapit sa high school at college. Dito sa Barangay Lugo, Tacogon.
Ano pong ginagawa niyo sa mga natitirang pagkain?
Iniipon ko, tapos inilalagay ko sa isang lagayan. Pagkatapos, ipinapakain namin sa aso.
Because of the situation like this, many innocent animals continue to suffer. They cannot speak or even ask for help. So our team came up with a simple solution.
We will place food waste awareness signages to remind people about proper food segregation. We will provide buckets for clean leftovers and feeding bowls where stray animals can safely eat.
Through this small act, food that would normally be wasted can instantly become a source of hope and nourishment. Not only does this improve proper waste segregation, but it also helps our community to feed the animals who struggle with hunger every day.
Because sometimes, what we call just leftover may already be a saving meals for someone else.
So we encourage everyone, be responsible with leftover food because a small action from us can mean a full stomach and a second chance and a little kindness for those who cannot ask for it. Share a meal, save a life!